for tomorrow. But first, let's get to the individual stocks. Vivek is joining in.
Well, good afternoon. A green day after so many sessions of losses is what we saw as far as the headline indices were concerned. Quite a lot of movers and shakers. Let's start off with a list of gainers today. Quite a lot of them. First up, we have to talk about ICICI Bank. Very strong set, standing tall amongst its peer set. And on the back of that, you saw EPS upgrades coming in and the stock to ended strongly in the green. The next stock, one from the broader end of the markets was Orient Electric. Company saw growth across verticals. Stock pushed at the upper circuit today. Bandhan Bank, again over here, slightly muted set of numbers. Also, the company alluded to some stress as far as Q3 was concerned, but cheap valuations is something that made a few brokerages upgrade the stock. Stock ended up almost 10% higher in the session today. Shriram Finance was the other one, very strong set of results. Again, standing out within its peer set. EPS upgrades coming in almost 5.5% higher over here. And FirstSource Solutions, midday the company came out with its results. A very strong upgrade as far as the revenue growth, CC revenue growth guidance was concerned. Stock ended higher by almost 12%. But quite a lot of laggards as well. The first stock, of course, was Coal India. Quite a significant miss against what the street was anticipating. E-auction realization volumes too, was quite muted. On the back of that, almost 4% low for Coal India. Indigo, you alluded to it earlier. A significant loss coming in, also alluding to competitive intensity is what led to the street selling of this particular name. Chola Finance, compared to Shriram Fin, a bit of a weaker set. Also some stress building up, and on the back of that, higher valuations too not supporting the stock. Almost 5% lower for Chola Finance today. MGL, although the numbers were decent, call too was quite decent, but street believes that the higher margins may not sustain. Again, over 5.5% downtake here, and this after a very steep sell of the stock as seen in the run up to the results. And lastly, Tattva Chintan Pharma from the chemical pack. Over here, margin erosion quite significant, almost 500 basis points lower, and the stock down by over 10% today.
All right, Vivek, thank you very much for that. So that's the movers and shakers in terms of individual names. Sudeep Bandopad.